This is how you're going to get an overdraft on Monzo without any confusion. To start, you need to be a full Monzo current account holder. If you haven't completed the full ID verification or upgraded from the prepaid days, you won't see the option. Now open the Monzo app and tap into your account. But you can also access this from your PC. Just go to monzo.com/overdrafts. And if you don't have an account yet, you can just click on this open an account for free. Just hit on that and then follow all of these steps to start your application. Just type in your email address and it's going to prompt you to scan a QR code to continue from your phone. Now, in order to get an overdraft, it is fairly simple. What you're going to do is to click on explore overdrafts and then click on the setup an overdraft right here, or you can just scan this QR code. Now, if you're eligible, Monzo will let you apply right there. You'll need to go through a soft credit check. That means it won't affect your credit score unless you accept the overdraft. Once approved, you can set your limit, which Monzo usually offers up to 1,000 euros for new users, but it could go up to 2,000 euros. The fees are based on your usage. Monzo doesn't do flat monthly charges. You only need to pay interest on the amount that you use, and everything is clearly shown upfront in the app. If you don't see the option, it might be due to credit issues, account activity, or not meeting the eligibility criteria. You can manage or cancel your overdraft anytime inside the app, so you're never locked in. And if you don't see it, you don't pay anything. And that's how you get an overdraft on Monzo.